Let me now call upon His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, the chief guest of the conference, to welcome the conference participants and our guests.
Chairman of the conference, Dr. Laszlo, His Excellency, ambassadors of different countries, including my own, India, and Dr. Rajendra Pratap Singh ji, Ajay Kumar, professors, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be here with you on this occasion of 10th, on Millennium Goals of United Nations, 10th International Conference. Goals are set by wise people and they're followed by even wiser people. It's the public participation that is most essential. In the past century, there has been partnership for wars, for conflicts. We are in a better era now. Today we are fortunate to have partnership for development. The 8th goal of United Nations Millennium Goals. Though the goals have been set by wise people from around the world in the United Nations, this can become a reality when common man participates in it. Otherwise, goals will just remain in the books. It'll be a dream and not a reality. So what is it that can inspire people to join, to eradicate poverty, to bring gender equality, to educate people in every corner of our dear planet? This we need to ponder. And I would call that a spiritual that unites people, that promotes people into doing something constructive in the world. So this inspiration that comes from within will enable us to act better, faster, and successful results will come out of it. Common man will need to participate in this. Further, their vision need to be broadened. Confidence building measures need to be taken. Sense of belongingness need to be created among communities, among nations, even among age groups. See, today we find there is generation gap which is widening day by day. And I think it's a very good idea to have these conferences in the premises of the universities where the young minds are inspired to undertake goals, visions for a sustainable development of our world. Education is most necessary, the most important aspect of civilization. It's the lack of education or wrong education that has caused so much heartache, so much violence in today's world. We see religious fanaticism in the name of ideology or politics. What's happening in Iran, what's happening in India and Indian subcontinent especially, all around India, is a very saddening thing. Lots of lives are being lost. People are killing each other in the name of religion, the name of political ideology, party ideology. This has to come to an end. We live in 21st century, a more civilized society. We call ourselves as but still we find the primitive things happening here and there. So education can eradicate not only poverty but also superstitions, narrow-mindedness, and people engaged in selfish goals rather than having a broader vision for a global family concept. It's very pertinent for today's time that we broaden the vision of our young people and give them this idea that the world is with them. I am happy that UN Millennium Goals and officials of the UN are taking a proactive step in this direction. As the gentleman said, there are three things essential to transform the society. That is education, education, and education. Education to earn money, education to connect with people, relate with people, and education to handle one's own mind, one's own emotion. The professional education and the spiritual education which would build personalities which are very strong, stable, and productive in the society. So with these words, I welcome you all for this conference and wish you all the best to come up with great ideas and plans to implement. So by the time you come for the 11th conference and the next time around, you can come and present the achievements that you have made. Because our focus on achievements would definitely make a difference. With these few words, I once again congratulate the organizers and all the dignitaries who have come to grace this occasion. Thank you.
Let me call upon Professor Dr. Laszlo Forno, the Vice Rector of Szent István University, to walk to the front to deliver the honorary professor title, which is awarded by the Rector of Szent István University to His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
Nos Rector Universitasque de Sancto Stefano nominata lecturis salutem, hoc modo libenter significamus quod summum pontificem Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Dominum, qui in Papanazam, Tamil Nadu, India,